Take all the courage you have. Waste it on fixing all the problems that you made in your own head. It's not your fault but mine, and it's your heart on the line. I really messed it up this time. Didn't I mind it? Didn't I know? Yourself, I know that you have seen this all before. Tremble, little lion, never settle any of your score. Your grace is wasted in your boldness stands alone. Now learn from your mother, spend your days biting your own. But it was not your fault but mine. It's your heart on the line, but I really messed things up this time. Didn't I mind? Didn't I mind? So I drew her face and I laughed. Well, I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason. Rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind, see like me. Open up the place, then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find the sky is yours. So please don't, there's no need to complicate. 'Cause our time now, it is short of, and this is our fate. I'm yours. Guys, 6 o'clock.
Yeah. Hired me out. She kept on going down. I'm like,
Hold on to me as you go, as we roll down this unfamiliar road. And although this rain is taking us along, just know you're not alone. So I'ma make this place yours. Settle down, you'll all be clear. Don't pay no mind to the demons that fill you with fear. Trouble, it might drag you down. You get lost, you can always be found. Just know you're not alone. So come on, make this place yours. Come on, everybody. Sirens of an ambulance come howling right through the center of town. And no about tonight, I look at the sky in the path of a lightning bolt. I met her as the angels prodded for her, but she only brought me torture. Well, that's what happens, you can stand in the path of a lightning bolt. Well, everyone I see just wants to walk with me to deep, but I just stand by it. Wait my time to sing, you got told the line they won't. What a night for one, but when I see the signs, I jump on that lightning bolt. Chances are people tell you take chances when they do the wrong, and the answers are starting to agree when I woke suddenly in the path of a fortune. Now people talk about fortune. Be a make it doesn't just call you in the blinking of an eye. There's another passerby in the path of a lightning. Well, everyone I see just wants to walk me green and deep, but I'll just stand by it. Wait my time to see you got it total. I'm the one, water not the one, but when I see the signs, I'll jump on that lightning bolt. Silent, I was laying back in the skyward when the moment got shattered. I remember what you said, and then she fled in the path of a lightning bolt. Lightning bolt, lightning bolt, a lightning bolt, a lightning bolt, a lightning bolt, lightning bolt, lightning bolt, lightning bolt. Well, everyone I see just wants to walk me green. Jump on that lightning bolt, the lightning bolt, the lightning bolt, the lightning bolt, the lightning bolt. We're gonna get the band up here pretty soon. You guys excited for a good show? Yeah. We're gonna put on. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Lord knows that this world is true, and I ain't the Lord, just a fool in love with somebody I don't even love. Must I always be waiting, waiting on you? Must I always be playing, playing your fool? I sing you songs, I dance your dance, I gave you friends all the time. Putting up with them wasn't what never having you. Oh, maybe you've been through this before, but it's my first time, so please ignore the next few lines, cause they're directed at you. Well, I can't always be waiting, waiting on you. Must I always be playing, playing your fool? I keep playing your part, but it's not my sin. On this part that twist, I've had enough history. Keep building it up, then you're shooting me down. I'm already down, just wait a minute. Just sitting waiting. Just wait a minute. Just sitting waiting. Well, if I was in your position, I'd put down on my ammunition. I'd wonder why it's taking me so long. But Lord knows that I'm not you, and if I was, I wouldn't be so cruel. Cause waiting on love ain't so easy to do. Must I always be waiting, waiting on you? Must I always be playing, playing your fool? No, I can't always be waiting, waiting on you. Suddenly everything changed. Spreading me blankets on the beach. You're the first face that I saw. So I was blind before I met you. Now I don't care, go anywhere. I'd probably be happy. So I thought I'd let you know. These things take forever, I especially am slow. Then I realized I need you, wondered if you could come. Remember the time you drove all night just to meet me in the morning? Well, I thought it was strange that everything changed. You felt as if you just woke up, and you said, this is the first day of my life, but I didn't die before I met you. Now I don't care, I could go anywhere with you, and I'd probably be happy. So if you wanna be with me, these things there's no telling, we'll just have to wait and see. But I'd rather be working for a paycheck than waiting to win the lottery. Thank you guys, it's been great. We're gonna bring the full band up. Are they ready? All right. I need a minute to set up.